and that was a close call. Ball landing outside the off stump in full length ball, and Amar Zaini tried to play it in the cover region, but it was just missing the outside edge of the bat. So there seems to be a bit frustration on the Umal's Opsal team players because they are not getting wicket, but they are trying their best to somehow change the strategies. A very good shot played by Amar Zaini in the mid wicket, square leg region, and players were able to make it into 2 runs. We will come back very soon with the individual score of Jeet. Do you know, Raj?
Individual score of Jeet is 65 now.
Yeah, Jeet is on 65, and
Amar Zaini is
Amar Zaini,
7, 10, 13, 15, 17,
a very good player.
20.
Amar Zaini is on 20, and defensive shot just pushed in the cover in the point region, and both the players are playing very sensibly, not taking any big risks. Although Jeet is known to be a very risky player, but both are playing very sensibly and building the score slowly and gradually. A very nicely played, taking the front foot out and stopping the ball, which was coming inside into the stumps, and there is no change in the score. We would like to also comment that the conditions are opening up a little bit. There is more light in the ground as compared to the morning, and the clouds are giving way to the light. Again, a full delivery outside the off stump, which was almost to the wide region, and Amar Zaini tried to pull it towards the square leg region, but unsuccessful. And the best part, a very good thing we can see is that the bowler is able to also change the pace of the ball, as well as variations in the bowling, where the ball is also coming inside. For example, the last ball was a full length ball, which was going outside the off stump, and suddenly he changes to the short pitch ball, which is coming inside the wicket.
Yes.
So he's a very good bowler, and has a control over his bowling. But the batsmen are also equally good, so it's a very nice competition.
Yes, let me tell to the viewers today that we have Manish Kakasab in the commentary box, who is doing a fantastic job, and the score is 106 for the loss of 1 wicket after completion of 14 overs. And let me continue with this, that Manish Kakasab is doing a fantastic job, and he's continuing with the commentary, which is a specialist job and itself. And I am like lined up for batting, and all other commentators are lined up for batting, and we have our own tensions. So somebody else is taking care of this commentary. It's a fantastic feeling, and
It's
we are
nice
grateful to
somebody-
him.
Yeah, thank you very much.
We are grateful to Manish Kakasab.
Thank you. Now the bowler is again we have Wahid from
Yes,
the
Wahid, right.
forest end, and he's pulling towards the square leg region, and it seems as if the Jeet has a tendency of playing this bit cross shot, but somehow it has helped a lot with the conditions today. So, and Upsal is again continuing with the combination of spinners, Wahid, and again a very pull attempted in the square leg region, and but they were able to make it into 2 runs. So I think Upsal has to think a new strategy, because if they are going to keep on giving the short pitch balls, then the Jeet is going to convert them into 4s and 6s. So either they need to have, that is a better ball from Wahid, a short pitch ball which was going outside the leg stump, and it was just flicked in the fine leg region from Jeet, and the players were and the batsmen were able to make a 1 run. There is some fielding change right now going on. And players from third man and fine leg has been interchanged. A very full toss ball which was nicely utilized by the batsman into the deep backward region. Amar Zaini seems to play very sensibly with not getting into the lucrative shots easily. A short pitch ball again, and which was just pushed into the backward short leg region, and one run taken.
No, two runs.
Two runs taken. We would like to invite the new viewers which have recently joined us, and their Fjord is at 104 at loss of one wicket, and 15th over is going on. Half of the inning is almost finished, and after 15 overs we are going to have a small break, and where we would like to we will try at least to invite the captains of both the teams and try to get some opinion from them.
Yes, that's fantastic.
For the viewers. Again, a full length ball which was nicely defensively stopped by Amar Zaini. Now we have the drink breaks, and we would
105.
we would like to update the score as 105 for 106.
Sorry, 115.
115 for one wicket in 15 overs. Fjord, a fantastic start by Fjord cricket team. Given the conditions, they have utilized it very nicely, and now I hope we can get some comments from the captains of both the teams. So we will just take a small break here for few seconds and try to get back to you as early as possible with the captains of both the teams. We are back again. Unfortunately, we were not able to get the captains of the two teams, but we have Zafar Bhai with us, who is also playing from Upsal Cricket. तो जफर भाई, आपका क्या ख्याल है आजकल की बारिश वगैरह से क्या मतलब असर पड़ा है गेम पे?
बारिश की वजह से यही है कि फील्डिंग थोड़ी सी है, मसला पड़ रहा है क्योंकि लड़के स्लिप हो रहे हैं।
जी हाँ,
जूतों की वजह से भी है, थोड़ा सा मतलब ग्राउंड भी गीला है और बॉलिंग भी काफी खराब हो गई है, स्विंग नहीं हो रही जितनी हमें तवक्कुं थी।
नहीं तो आप जो कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि मतलब किसी तरह स्पिन और सीम बॉलर्स को कंबाइन कर रहे हैं,
कोशिश करें कि चेंजिंग हो जाए, कोई बॉलर चल पड़े, लेकिन बस किस्मत भी साथ नहीं कर रही, काफी कैच भी छूट गए।
अच्छा,
कीपर से भी कैच छूट गए, बाउंड्री पे भी काफी।
नहीं तो अब आपकी आगे क्या स्ट्रेटजी है, मतलब आप क्या सोचते हैं, आपको विकेटें कैसे मिलेंगी?
कोशिश तो करें, अभी चेंजिंग लेके आएंगे, अटैक बॉलर अटैक कराएंगे दोबारा।
जी हाँ,
तो उम्मीद है कि वो विकेट लेके जाएं।
आज ये क्या पानी होने की वजह से
पानी की बॉल काफी खराब हो गई है,
काफी खराब हो गई है
तो
अच्छा। वैसे आपकी टीम में कोई पिछली बारी से चेंज है या मतलब पिछले मैच में आप
लड़के जो आने चाहिए थे वो नहीं आए, 2-3 लड़के
जो आपके अच्छे खेलने वाले हैं?
अभी देख रहे हैं आपके बाउंड्री से वो बॉल नहीं फेंक सकते, मतलब कि दूसरा
जी, हाँ,
तीसरा रन उसमें भी बन जाता है।
हाँ।
तो इसी वजह से भी
नहीं
है
वैसे
थोड़ी सी-
आपकी कोशिश तो बहुत बेहतरीन है, ऐसी
नहीं,
बात
कोशिश
नहीं
तो
है।
करें,
ये
कोशिश
जो
तो करें। मैं
अब-
तो अपनी यही थी कि फ्यूर के खिलाफ हमारी स्टैटिस्टिक बहुत दौड़ ली है।
अच्छा अच्छा
4 मैच तकरीबन खेल लिए हमने आप
Yeah.
लोगों के साथ,
हम्म।
तो चारों के चारों हम हार गए, आप लोग जीते हैं।
नहीं कोई नहीं, आप आज दिल ना हारे।
नहीं हारने की नहीं है, कोशिश
Game
है
है।
कि मतलब गेम है
Yeah.
कि गेम अच्छी से
Yeah,
अच्छी
yeah.
दोनों टीमों की हो जाए।
नहीं
तो
असल
यही
में वो
कोशिश है।
ये पानी
हमारी
की वजह से
भी
काफी फर्क आपने
हाँ,
सोचा नहीं
बिल्कुल
होगा ना?
बिल्कुल वो पानी की वजह से थोड़ा सा है, क्योंकि कई लड़कों का ख्याल था कि वो आउट करा
जी,
ले,
जी,
मैच खत्म
हाँ।
करा ले, लेकिन इसी वजह से दिल है कि मैच खेल ले, दोनों कंबाइंड हो जाए।
अब मैं बुलाना चाहूंगा विनीत जैन जो हमारे फेवर्ड क्लब के। थैंक यू वेरी मच जफर साहब। विनीत जैन साहब को बुलाएंगे जो थोड़ा सा कमेंट अपना बताएंगे कि आज की कंडीशंस और हमारी टीम के बारे में क्या चेंजेस हैं और कैसे उसने इफेक्ट करा है। विनीत जैन साहब प्लीज आइए। माइक Hindi comfortable, English comfortable? English is okay. Vineet Jain is here, and we would like to introduce our viewers with Mr. Vineet Jain, who is also representing Fjord Cricket Club here. Mr. Vineet, please, could you please tell how the conditions have been favorable or unfavorable for today's match?
Given the condition today, we were very unsure
Okay.
whether we can play the match or not.
Mm.
A lot of rain since yesterday night. But in the morning there was no rain,
Mm.
so hopefully we thought we can start the match,
Mm.
and that we did.
And of course, a very excellent start for Fjord.
So we chose to. We were discussing whether we should bowl first or bat first,
Mm.
but we thought of batting first
Mm.
because still there's a forecast of rain afterwards.
Okay.
So we thought if we bat first, we have advantage.
Mm.
It starts raining, so at least we don't know what will happen with the.
You might also get advantage of the run rate.
That is correct.
Yes, yes. And what is the? Do you have any idea what are the changes from the last team which you were using? Because last team you had a very good victory.
Yes.
Most of the boys were able to come and play today, or was it some changes?
We only had one change.
Mm.
Else, the team is the same
Okay.
since last team.
Yeah. So when your bowling attack will be there, what do you think according to the given conditions? How do you think? What will you suggest to the bowlers?
I think it's important to bowl line and length
Mm.
because pitch is helping a little bit to
Mm.
the pace bowlers.
Yes.
So we'll see.
And what about the spin bowlers?
I've not seen a lot of success for the spin bowlers today.
Exactly.
Because the pitch is very wet,
Yeah, yeah,
so
yeah.
they're not getting the advantage.
Yeah.
But hopefully sun is out now.
Yeah.
So let's see how it turns the pitch around
Okay.
in the few next few.
Thank you very much, Mr. Vineet, for your expert comments. And the game is on again, and we would like to concentrate. The new bowler is Umar from the commentator ends. And again, a short pitch ball which has been lifted by Jeet towards the long on region, and the umpire has given 4 runs. So as you saw that we had some expert comments from both the teams, and both of us saying basically that the conditions was not expected, but they have adjusted very nicely to the new conditions, and it is going to be a very exciting match. And so please don't go away, be with us, and we will try to cover the match as good as possible. A full length delivery which was converted into a sweep shot, and a 6 run. The Jeet is playing very nicely today. The visibility has also increased, which is also helping, and I think we will see a lot of good shots from Jeet today. He seems to be very much in form, and there are there is a slight change in the commentating. Dara will take over for a few minutes. And last thing, we would just like to comment that the visibility has increased quite a lot, and which is also helping the batsmen, and hopefully the temperature will also go up, which will also dry the pitch and help the bowlers. So the competition is still on, any sides game, and I will like to take a little bit break now, and Dara Singh will continue from us. Thank you. Please, Dara.
Thank you, Kakar Saab. Hello all, good morning, good afternoon. This is Prashant Dara here, and välkommen till Norges sommar. Welcome to Norway's summer. So we have some kind of a sun god is like a bit kind of a giving support to us, like he's out now. So now like we are in a very good strong position, like after 15 overs, like we are like 115 for only 1 wicket. Jeet and Amar Jaini are kind of strong in the pitch. So Jeet is taking the hitting and Amar Jaini is doing the sensible thing, like giving him a single and double like that. So now like Omar to Jeet. So it was in the leg side and it was a very good flick in the leg side, and I guess it is 4 runs. Very good shot from Jeet. It was a very nice flick from him. Ball was on the leg and he just pushed towards the boundary. So it's 4 runs now. So we are going very strong today. So in the early so we 4 runs, yeah.
4 runs.
So during the beginning we had some breeze and some kind of a rain. You can see that outfield is somewhat wet, but I will not say like it's totally wet. It's somewhat wet. So Ekebeg 1 is like playing here is like a good chance or good opportunity for people. Like if it is raining, also the outfield and the field supports to the bowler and the batsman, like both. So it doesn't kind of stuck the ball inside because of the wetness, but Ekebeg 1 is a very good field altogether. So we are completed with the 16 overs. So we are updating the score. Give me a second. So it's like 16 overs. What's the score now, Akshay?
132.
132. 16 overs, 132. So like we need to do the calculation. What's the run rate here? So almost we are going good. 8 point. So we are kind of a very strong position now. Now Amar Jain is taking the guard, and from the other end, who is the bowler name? What's the bowler name?
Wahid Rahil.
Wahid Rahil. So he just did only 1 hour before the drinks, and it is his second over now. So Amar Jaini is kind of his intention is almost he will take a single and give the as much as rotation to Jeet, and Jeet will be hitting across the boundary. So that's what our prime target is now like. And we have quite a good batting lineup. We have Amar Malli, Raj, Ashish Patro, mix of strikers and this thing. Very kind of a hard luck for us. Like Amar Jaini wanted to play a cheeky shot, but hard luck for him. Never mind. So we have lost Amar Jaini now.
And Ashish Patra is moving.
Yeah, Ashish Patro is in. So one is out. One of the wall is out, and another wall is going in. Yes. So I'd like to hand over the commentary box to Manish Kakkar and Raj, our regular commentators.
No, I don't want to take over from you, Prashant. Till now you were hearing from Prashant Dara, who has been fantastic with the bat, ball and commentary and everything, and he's the main organizer of hearing me, and Prashant and Manish Kakkarji, it's over to you now.
Thank you, Raj. Thank you. Very good defensive shot from Ashish. So as of now, you were hearing Raj Shetty. He is one of the enthusiastic player from Fjord. He travels almost 2 hours from Oslo. He stays at Sandefjord. For the match, he travels almost 2 hours in the train. So you can imagine his enthu towards the cricket. So we have a few. So as I said in my earlier matches, so like we are kind of a all Indian club and settled over here. So we are in the cabin. Amar Jain is in the cabin. So we'd like to hear some words, but during the break we can see. So you have seen like Ashish Patro took a single and had given the batting to Jeet. So Amar Jaini, can we hear some few words from you? How did you feel? And it was a very good scoring from you, very good contribution. So we'd like to hear few words from you. How was the pitch, and how are the bowlers, and how was the weather?
Yeah, when we started, the pitch was very wet, and still it is to some extent. And the ball after pitching comes very fast. So if you are just playing a cross-batted shot, you need to be very sure for that. And the ball, the ball is skidding so much that if you just play a loose shot like the one that I did, you will just end up coming back to the commentary box.
Never mind, Amar. We know how good you are. So it was very hard luck, and you played very sensibly and giving the strike to Jeet. So your motto was very clear in the center. But it happens, no problem. It's the game of cricket. So
yeah, the plan was that I should stay till the end, but unfortunately it didn't happen. It was a mistake from my side. Yeah. But the bowlers, and apart from one or two bowlers, they're not very good pace attack. So we can easily score above 200 today. That's what I guess. If we play sensibly from here on, and we don't give wickets like we did in other matches, we should be doing well. Yeah. That's very nicely played by Ashish.
all right. Thank you, Amar, for your
Just
kind
take a
words.
break, have some my breath back.
No problem. All the very best for the bowling and fielding for you. So you did a very good job. Thank you. So now we are done with 17 overs. So someone needs to help me in the updating the score. So I'll check with our team members. Amar, can you help me in the score? 17 overs. What's the score? Bear with me for a second. I'm just updating the score.
135.
So 17 overs, 135 for 1 wicket. I'm just updating the screen. You can see that. So this over was a good over from the opposition Opsal, because we lost 1 wicket and we just scored only 3 runs. However, so Jeet is playing sensibly. He got a nick, he got a edge. It went to the kind of a slip and gully position, but no run for us. So the bowler is a spin bowler, so Jeet would like to take the opportunity to hit across the boundary over the ground. You can see some crackers from him, as you have seen already now in the last half an hour or so. Oh, it was a fantastic shot. It is going all the way from the ground, and oh, it was a good catch. So we lost Jeet. It was very bad luck for us. Like, so the drinks didn't support us. Like, after the drink in the successive 2 overs, we lost 2 wickets consecutively. So it was a very good shot from Jeet, but it was very bad luck for Fjord Cricket Club. Our captain is out and walking from the pitch. Now the next batsman is coming up, getting up is, I guess, Vikram Kapoor. He is our one of the strongest player, and he opens. Oh, there is a change in the strategy from the captain. You can see Raj inside the ground, so probably he's minding to hit the ball. Raj is a very good hitter of the ball, and Ashish will rotate the singles. I guess that's what the strategy inside. I don't know. I'm in the cabin, so I need to talk to the captain. So I'd like to hand over to Manish Kakar. He is our commentator. So thanks to him. He all the way traveled from near Drammen. He stays near Drammen, but due to the commentary, he came to us. Thanks to him. So now, like, we are in the cabin. We have Jeet, our captain, and I'd like to hand over to Manish Kakar. As I said, like, he traveled long way to do the commentary. So thanks to him. So Jeet would like to tell us a few words how he felt and what's his feelings. But over to Manish. Thank you. So he's doing the change. So he will join you in a couple of moments. So thank you.
Thank you very much, Dara. It has been a splendid coverage as yet, and we have a very exciting match ahead of us. And the bowler is Umer from the commentator end. And again, it seems as if the Upsal has successfully tried to implement their strategy by changing both the seamers and the spinners, and somehow they have also managed to take the top order batsman. But we saw a splendid inning from Jeet Randhawa, who is also the opening batsman for today, and the first down, and who scored more than 70 runs with his very good pull and lofted shots. So we will soon invite Jeet to give his expert comments. He is also the captain of your team, and we would like to ask him some of the conditions and out in the pitch and the bowling line, how is it, and also his expert comments on his team strategy as well as changes. So Umar is continuing again with the combination of short pitch balls on the left and the on and the off sides, and the day has opened up. There is much more light now. The batsmen are seeing the ball much clearly. The conditions are looking pretty well, although it's quite windy. So the bowler are using the full advantage of the wind in order to swing the ball. But still the conditions are a bit challenging for both the teams. Now we have over, and we have captain of Fjord A, Jeet Randhawa, with us, and we would like to ask him some of the conditions here, as well as welcome Jeet.
Thank you, Manish Paji.
139, 18 overs.
Before, actually, we just updated the score as 139 for 18 overs. What do you think about the batting? First of all, congratulations very much for a great inning, a captain's inning, and giving the support to the team, which was much required. So what do you think when you went there, given the conditions that they were so wet and there is so windy, what was going on in your mind?
I think the conditions exactly are so windy and so wet. It was not easy to hit the ball, and our strategy was to hit some runs when the ball is new and not wet. So because right now it's pretty tough to hit the ball, and it's going in the air rather than going towards the boundary, because it's wet and it's going in the air when you play shots.
But we saw that you were playing excellent these pulled shots and lofted shots. Was it the ball was coming very easy to the bat, or you were like playing in a very out of the regular mode?
No, it's my regular mode actually.
Okay.
So the thing is that I've started going one down now from the last 2-3 matches, and that's clicking for us. And because for the whole season, I was going like 5-6 down, and that was not good enough for our team. And then we thought that it would be nice for us to, if I go. Okay, Raj played a brilliant shot towards the boundary, but it's a boundary. Yep, it's a boundary. Yeah, where were we?
So I'm just asking that what is the benefit of going from 5th to 1st down? Was it that the ball was coming good to the bat, or is it faster, or good bowlers you were able to hit?
Yeah, I think the biggest benefit was that ball was new. When I went one down today, and then it was pretty easy to hit the ball. Ball is skidding a bit on the pitch because it's a wet pitch, so it's skidding a bit, and it's coming pretty nicely on the bat if you playing try to play shots. So I think today our strategy was to make around 200, because then it would be quite tough for the opposition.
Good defendable score.
Yeah, it's a good defendable score on this ground if you bowl good line length.
The bowlers are, I think, not getting much help from the pitch because of the wetness.
They are not getting.
But what about the wind? Do you see a swing in the ball? Or?
I don't think so. There is any swing in the ball because the ball is wet. So it's coming pretty straight forward to the bat, so there is no swing.
So it's a batsman's game today.
You can say it's a batsman paradise today.
Mm.
It's Raj played a good shot. There was
So we will come back with Jeet again with expert comments, and I think